The way produces life. Its power supports life. Its natural laws influence life, and its energy completes life. Everything naturally honors the way by naturally obeying its power. The way cultivates, nourishes, supports, maintains, matures and protects everything. It creates without possessing, acts without expecting, and guides without dominating. This is called subtle power. The beginning of the universe can be seen as the mother of all things. To know the mother, observe the children, and to know the children, return to the mother. Close your mouth and be not misguided by the senses, and nothing will trouble you. Open your mouth, become consumed by the senses, and nothing can help you. Insight reveals subtle details that the senses miss. Strength comes from knowing how to yield naturally to force. Using the way's light, return to its insight, and it will guide you away from harm. Wise ones remain within the wisdom of insight.